Hey friends, welcome to day 5 of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today's 15-minute workout is going to be focusing on continuous cardio. So we're going to really capitalize on these 15 minutes and get our heart rate elevated. If you have a jump rope, please snag that. If you have some boxing gloves, please snag those as well. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. Okay everyone, let's get that warm up going and we'll get started. So we're gonna get the shadow box going to emulate what we're gonna do for the first exercise. Okay, so if you're right hand dominant, get that right leg back and that right hand back in that dominant stance. But if you're left hand dominant, bring that left hand back and that left leg back, okay? And just give me those jabs to start, okay? Jabs to start here. Okay, so this might feel a little bit awkward for some people. That's okay. It is a very awkward exercise, but shadow boxing in and of itself is a great cardio workout. So that's why we have it in this continuous cardio 15-minute workout for the 7-day refresh, okay? So if you're feeling spicy, give me some hooks here. You go left and right. So try to really drive those hips, open up those, or twist those hips to get that power in those hooks. Every time, each hand that you're punching with, okay, so if you're punching with the left, pivot that left foot. If you're punching with the right, pivot that right foot to generate that power, okay? If you're feeling a little bit even more spicy, let's get some uppercuts here, okay? Kind of same premise, but it's just a little bit tighter here. A little bit tighter with, similar to the hooks, but now we're just kind of going down and up. But if you just want to stick with the jabs, that's okay. All right, team, looking good. Heart rate's getting elevated here, getting us ready to go. Abs tight. All right, team. So let's get started. So as you can see, if you have those boxing gloves, snag those. Okay, if you don't have boxing gloves, you can snag either a pair of 1-pound dumbbells, 2-pound dumbbells, but nothing more than 2-pound dumbbells. But even if you don't have that, okay, you can just give me the nice little shadow box, just like we did in the warm-up, but a little bit faster and a little bit more quicker, okay, team? So let's get started with this continuous cardio. Here we go, 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1, and go. So start in that dominant stance. So just kind of picking up that pace a little bit with the punches, keeping those abs tight. Every time you punch, try to breathe out, okay? All right, if you're feeling spicy, give me some uppercuts. If you're feeling even more spicy, get some hooks in there. But again, if you just want to stick with the jabs, the right and left, that's fine. All right, if you're feeling pretty comfortable with this and confident, just freestyle it up. Give me some jabs, some uppercuts, hooks, create some combos here. Looking good, team, let's go. Heart rates are getting elevated. Let's get it. All right, team, looking good. Okay, staying in that dominant stance, dominant hand back, dominant leg back. Wide stance, feet, toes are pointed forward. Looking good, squad. Let's go. Keep it up. Oh, yeah. All right, team. Keep it moving. But as you can see on the screen, we're going to get those jumping jacks going, okay? So you can either get the modified jumping jacks, going one leg out at a time, or if you want to go with both legs out at the same time, that's great. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Jumping jacks. If you got those gloves on, keep those gloves on. Great job, team. So yeah, you got standard jumping jacks, nice and quick, both feet out, or one leg out at a time. All right, team, looking good. Our hearts are gonna be challenged with this one today, team. This one's for beginners and seniors. All fitness levels are welcome though. If you ever need to take a breather, please do. But then just bring it right back in to where we're at. All right, squad. So as you can see, we're gonna get those high knees going, okay? So you're either gonna go one leg up at a time, or if you're feeling pretty spicy, go pretty quick with those high knees. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go, high knees. Keep those gloves on if you have them. Pumping those knees up. So remember, you can either alternate with those high knees quick or go one knee up at a time. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it, team. Let's go, let's go. Have you done all 5 days of the 7-day refresh? Heck yeah. If this is your first day, that's just still heck yeah. Thank you for joining. Pretty good 7-day workout sessions. If you're doing all of them 7 days straight, heck yeah. But if you're spacing them out, that's great as well. All right, squad, take those gloves off, take a quick little breather here, okay? Up next, we have the jump rope, okay? So you either can do the standard jump rope with the rope, shadow jump rope with those, or with those 1 to 2 pound dumbbells in your hand, or you can just do that step out, one leg out at a time, and emulate the rope coming forward every time you step out. All right, team? So you got the standard version and that modified version. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go, team. The first time I've jump roped in my studio with the Christmas tree, so hopefully I don't hit it. Keeping it nice and tight in the studio, team. Let's go. Just keep it standard here. Both feet out at the same, or both feet up and down at the same time. If you're doing it with the jump rope, shadow jump rope, or the light dumbbells in your hands. And then for people that want that modified version, remember, shadow jump rope, one step out at a time. Great job, beauties. Looking good. All right. Keep it moving. Let's go. All right. And rest it up, squad. Beautiful. Catch that breath. Get some water real quick. Woo. There we go. We were just constantly moving for those like 5 to 6 minutes right there. Let's get back right to it. Okay, get that water, catch that breath. Get those gloves on if you have some boxing gloves, or just get those light dumbbells or that shadow boxing going, okay, team? Ooh, yeah, heart rate is at 160. Heck yeah, team, let's get it. All right, here we go. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. All right, squad, here we go. Let's start up round 2, shadow box or the boxing. 3, 2, 1, and go. So give me those jabs here. Excellent, team. All right, so I encourage you all, stay in that dominant stance, so that dominant hand back, dominant leg back, okay? And then now, just work on that footwork here. Keep those hands up, protect your beautiful faces. Throw some jabs, throw a nice little combo here, and then move those feet. Never cross the feet, okay? Keep those feet, keep the feet wide, never cross the feet. Working on that coordination here. Throw some jabs, throw a nice combo. Remember, you can implement the uppercuts you can implement the hooks. But if you just want to stick with the jabs, that's fine. Still getting a good workout. Heart rate is elevated, even if you're just doing the jabs. All right, beauties, looking good. Keep it moving. Let's go. Protect your beautiful faces with those hands, with those mitts, with those dumbbells that you might be holding. Let's go, squad. Keep it moving here. All right, team, almost there. And then we're gonna switch to those jumping jacks. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Jumping jacks, team. Looking good, squad. Already more than halfway there. Y'all are doing a great job. Keep it up. Remember, nice little reminder, if you do need to take that breather, please do, but then bring your beautiful selves back as quick as possible. But if you ever need water, ever need a little bit of a breather, please take it. We want to challenge ourselves, but we want to do it safely. All right, squad, looking good. Keep those jumping jacks going. And then we're gonna switch to those high knees when I call for it, okay? All right, excellent job, team. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and high knees, let's get it. Looking good, team. Pump those knees high, let's go. Great job, beauties. Let's get it. Awesome job, squad. Let's go. Okay, almost there. All right, and switch it. Get those gloves off. Get those jump ropes in hand. Woo! We're cruising, team. Heart rates are pumping. Let's go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Here we go. Jump rope. Shadow jump rope. Step out. 3, 2, 1, and go. Beautiful job, team. Keep pushing. We got less than 5 minutes left. Let's go. Heck yeah, beauties, heck yeah. Let's get it. Feet tight. Standard jump rope here. Whoop. Hit the ornament. All right. Keep it standard if you want, but if you're feeling spicy, get a nice little freestyle going. Single leg. Alternate the legs. You do a little side to side with the feet. Work on that footwork, coordination here. But if you want to keep it standard, that's okay. All right, beauties, almost there. Woo! Woo! Even I messed up. Ah! I'm getting my head. All right, rest it up, team. Catch your breath. Let's go. Doing great. Doing great. What are we at? 170 calories already. Rough estimate, but we're working hard, team. All right, get that water. Catch that breather here. Let's get a nice little rapid fire round right here, beauties. All right, gloves on, light weights in hand. Woo! Let's finish strong, team. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. All right, shadow box here. Dominant stance. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Nice strong punches here. Uppercuts if you want. Hooks if you want. But if you want to stick with the jabs, that's fine. So whenever I say 1, it's that front jab. If I ever say 2, it's that cross jab or that power jab. All right, so we're kind of doing, if you're doing the jabs here, you're going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just a nice little food for thought when we do more boxing exercises in these jazz it up workouts. All right, team, looking good. Work on that footwork here. Keep those hands up. Give me those jabs, then move those feet. Move those feet. Jabs, move those feet. Move those feet. All right, team, looking good. Here we go. Let's switch to the jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1, and get it. Looking good, squad. Sweating up a storm here. We're working hard, capitalizing on these 15 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. All right, team. Beautiful job. We're almost done. Y'all beauties are doing such a good job. Keep it up. Let's switch to those high knees. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, get it. Excellent, squad, excellent. Let's go, pump those knees quick. Pump those knees up, one leg up at a time. If you're doing the modified version, let's go. All right, team, quick switch. Put those gloves down, get those jump ropes. Let's finish strong right here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out, jump ropes in hand, light weights in hand. Shadow jump ropes in hand. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Let's go as fast as we can, nice and quick. Standard jump rope, 30-second push here. Let's get it, finish strong, team, finish strong. That's what he, she, or they said, let's go. Let's go, beauties, let's go. Almost there. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. All right. And rest it up, squad. Great job, team. Great work. That got the heart rate pumping. 230 calories in these 15 minutes. What a great workout, team. Heart rate's at 160 for me. Excellent job, squad. That's day 5, day 5. All right, hope to see you in day 6 and day 7 to finish up the 7-day refresh, or I'll see you in another class soon. All right, team, love each other, love yourselves, and I'll see you soon, okay? Adios.